Hi, welcome. I'm Stephanie Rothert. I am a licensed acupuncturist, Chinese herbalist, and Doterra wellness advocate. I want to go over the Family Essentials and Beadlets Kit. Many of you order these to sign up with an account with Doterra, and when you do, they waive the initial $35 yearly fee to have an account and get 25% off all their products. So you get this box, has the beadlets, and here's the Family Essentials Kit, their top 10 oils, and you get a book, describes all their supplements and products, and it comes with some stickers that you can put as labels on the tops of your bottles, which I like. So I just want to run through these oils briefly. We start with lavender, which a lot of people use for sleep and anxiety. I recommend it for hot flashes as it nourishes yin and clears heat in Chinese medicine. Can use it with a carrier, is safe to take internally. It says essential oil supplement, which means it's safe to take internally. The ones that don't say supplement are not, so please don't. Then we have lemon, alkalinizing for your stomach, great oil for focus, refreshing. Put a couple drops in your water, diffuse it to clear the air. It's cleansing, really good for your stomach. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint are good for seasonal threats, aka allergies. Peppermint and lavender is great for headaches, right here, on your chest. Peppermint is refreshing. It gives you a burst of energy in the afternoon, moves the liver qi stagnation. It's cooling. Also good for the stomach. Can diffuse and apply topically, and also put a couple drops in water. This kit comes with the peppermint beadlets. You put a beadlet on your tongue and let it open up as a breath freshener, and also swallow it for your stomach. Breathe, their proprietary blend for respiratory support. Analgesic, helps open up the respiratory airways. An amazing, amazing blend, has 8 oils in it. Deep Blue is good for physical discomfort. Do not take it internally. Usually use it topically or in a bath. I use it for cramps, really great for that. I am a massage therapist and acupuncturist, and I use it often in my treatments for inflammation and physical discomfort. It also comes in a rub that you can purchase. Tea tree, a great cleanser, helps with mold. Gargle it with lemon and On Guard for sore throats. Rub it topically for pain. I used it for an ear infection. Once again, not confirmed by the FDA. There's my disclaimer. Ear discomfort. Oregano is great for respiratory. Say you're coming down with something, take it internally, gargle with it. Respiratory support, digestive support. It's known to be antiparasitic. So in many intestinal cleanses, they use oregano. Digestin regulates your digestion. Heartburn, diarrhea, constipation, those are ailments that I have used it for with my patients. Frankincense is the king of oils, the oil of truth. Calming, great for anxiety, also wound healing. And so once again, you get these 2 beadlets. On Guard is an amazing blend also. Can clean with it. You can make your own cleaner. Diffuse it, like this time of year when there's a lot of germs. I have an On Guard hand sanitizer I use. I take the beadlets once a day at least. Once again, take 1 beadlet, let it dissolve on your tongue. You can have, children can take it, then have them swallow it because it does have a strong flavor. But yes, this is an amazing oil. Once again, you can gargle it, you can take it internally. That comes also in gel caps and On Guard Plus with even more oils in it to boost your immunity. And that's it in a gist. Please let me know if you have any questions. I am here to support you in your use of oils, and this is a great way to begin your journey with Doterra. Their oils have changed my health and my life. Thank you so much.